In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your template in Squarespace. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned pro looking to refresh your website's appearance, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace home. To do this, open your preferred web browser and log into your Squarespace account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace home. This is the main dashboard where you can manage and configure your website. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as you'll be returning here often to make changes and updates to your site. Once you're on your Squarespace homepage, your next step is to click on the Website option. You'll find this somewhere in the main menu or possibly in a drop-down list. By clicking on Website, you open up the section where most of your site's visual and functional settings are housed. It's a central hub that leads you to various design options. After clicking on Website, your next move is to click on Styles. This area allows you to customize the look and feel of your site. In Squarespace, the Styles section is all about the aesthetics of your website, from fonts to colors to layouts. It's where you can make your website uniquely yours. Within the Styles area, you'll want to click on Themes. Here, you'll find various design themes that Squarespace offers. It's important to understand that in Squarespace, a theme essentially serves as a template. Themes dictate the overall design and layout of your site. When choosing a theme, consider the nature of your content and what design elements would best highlight your work. Maybe you're running a blog, an online store, or a portfolio. Each use case might lend itself better to different themes. Take some time to explore the options available to you. Once you've browsed through the available themes and found one that suits your needs, the next step is to select it. By choosing a theme, you're applying a new design to your website, and often this can give a fresh new look to your content. Remember to preview how your website will appear with the new theme if that's an available feature, giving you a chance to see the transformation without fully committing to it yet. Finally, after you've selected your desired theme and you're pleased with how it looks, it's crucial to click Save. This action will ensure that all your changes are applied and that your new theme is live on your site. Saving also safeguards your work, preventing any loss of changes if you inadvertently navigate away from the page. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your template on Squarespace. By following these steps, you can easily update and enhance your website's design, keeping it fresh and engaging for your audience. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment with different themes until you find the perfect fit for your brand or project. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!